To import crypto util number in a programming environment, you need to have a basic understanding of cryptography in the specific library you are using. The crypto util number is often used for generating random numbers, which is crucial in various cryptographic applications. First, you need to choose the library you will be working with. For example, in Node.js, you can use the crypto module, while in Python, you can use the cryptography library. Once you have chosen your library, you need to import it into your project. For Node.js, you can import the crypto module by using the require function. For Python, you can import the cryptography library by using the import statement. Next, you need to generate a random number using the crypto util number function. This function will return a random integer, which can be used for various cryptographic purposes, such as generating keys or nonces. When generating random numbers, it is essential to ensure that the numbers are truly random and unpredictable. This is because predictability can compromise the security of your cryptographic application. To ensure the randomness of the generated numbers, you should use a cryptographically secure pseudo-random number generator. This type of generator uses algorithms that are designed to produce highly unpredictable and uniformly distributed numbers. In addition to generating random numbers, the crypto util number can also be used for other purposes, such as generating prime numbers or testing whether a number is prime. To get the most out of the crypto util number, you should have a good understanding of the underlying algorithms and techniques used in cryptography. This includes understanding concepts such as modular arithmetic, elliptic curves, and hash functions. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively import and use the crypto util number in your programming project. This will enable you to generate secure and unpredictable random numbers, which is essential for building robust and reliable cryptographic applications. It is also important to keep your library and dependencies up to date, as new versions often include security patches and improvements. Furthermore, you should always follow secure coding practices, such as validating user input and handling errors properly, to prevent potential security vulnerabilities. In conclusion, importing and using the crypto util number is a straightforward process that requires a basic understanding of cryptography and the specific library you are using. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can generate secure and unpredictable random numbers, which is essential for building robust and reliable cryptographic applications.